all, I had thought I'm going to fix breakfast while they work on my RV and install the water heater this morning. And then I thought, oh my God, I can't fix breakfast because I would have to turn my propane on, and they're installing a propane on-demand hot water heater. So I'm like, oh man, I guess I need to go by Sonic or somewhere and get a breakfast burrito. And then I remembered that I have my butane stove, and I kept it so that I could cook outside. And I'm like, well, I'll just use it inside and fix me some sausage and eggs while they're working on my RV. I just love this life. Okay, first stop, go in and see if my water heater arrived and check in. Okay, I checked in, and she said that as soon as they get back from their last job, they will come out and start my installation, that my on-demand water heater did arrive. And so I'm so happy. And they are also going to fix, sorry about all the traffic noise. I hope that's not bothering you guys. But they're also going to fix my rear window that it hasn't been leaking that I'm aware of. It doesn't look like it has, but it has, the rubber part has come off out of the ring, or out of the seal. I'm not sure what that's called. And so they're going to fix that as well. And I'm very excited, and I'm using my butane stove and getting to have breakfast. Bandit long ago already had his breakfast and got his walk. So it's my time. Okay, so he wasn't able to get the hot water out readily, so I've got to pull everything out underneath here, and he's gonna crawl under because he doesn't want to do the bed. I told him he can get to it from the bed, but he doesn't want to do that. So it is dig time. Okay, when I pulled everything out from underneath there, I noticed that there's water on the floor. Not sure what that's about, but I'm hoping he can fix that too. Did you get somebody to come say hi to you, Bandit?
Yeah.
Did you get somebody to come say hi to you?
Get a keeper.
Yeah, did you get somebody to come say hi to you? Okay, well, Tom just told me that he has found some 12-volt wiring and that he can use, and so he is going to run over to Home Depot and get some connectors and some other pieces that he needs and some conduit, and when he gets back we should be good to go. Yay, hot water again. Woo! The wiring that he's going to use is from this monitor that was in the wall, but it wasn't hooked up to anything. But he checked, and those are live wires. So he will run it down from the bed straight up from where the installation is going and where the old hot water heater used to be. And I don't know why we call them hot water heaters. They're just water heaters, but you know what I mean. Anyway, he says these have to be replaced every 5 years anyway. Okay, you guys, Tom is working so hard, and he just left to go get some more parts at a nearby hardware store because the 3/8" pipe, which is the same problem that Robert and Tim and Stanley had when trying to fix my shower leak, it cracked because it's so old when he went to apply the new fittings of the new water heater. And as you can see, there are water stains because the water has been leaking, but he's mopping it up as he goes along, and it's just a work in progress. 3 hours and counting now at $100 an hour, but it will be worth it to have hot water again. Glad I've been budgeting.
You now have hot water.
Woohoo! And no leaks?
And no leaks.
You're the man. Okay, so it's not using propane when it's off.
When it's off, it's not using any propane. The only time it uses propane is when you turn your hot water faucet on. As long as the water faucet is on, then the propane will run. As soon as you turn the faucet off, propane's off.
Well, that is so awesome. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Okay, everybody, so I have hot water. My rear window is repaired, and Tom helped me with the plate on the bottom of my door that was coming loose, and I come in to pay my bill, and Donna is giving me a cup that she made. Thank you, dear heart.
You're so welcome. Enjoy it.
Thank you. And so if you're in Pahrump and you have any RV needs, you come to Wild West RV. They are the best.